Alrighty, welcome back to NTV's Good Life. We're in the kitchen with Alex making bananas Foster, and during the break, I cut the bananas wrong, but it'll be fine. Somebody doesn't pay attention. All right, so you took out the lemon.
I took out the lemon. I took out the cinnamon. You don't want to put them in there for very long. You just want to get a nice subtle flavor, and that's also why we don't use the dark brown sugar, because I want to have a little more subtle flavor because I want this to caramelize and make a nice sauce we got right here.
Got it really
All right, let's put the bananas inside.
Ooh, look at them. Fancy bananas. Go. Bananas.
Go.
B-A-N-A-N-A-S.
That's how I learned to spell, was cheers.
That's right. Oh, goodness.
All right, and
So
now
you kicked up the heat just a little bit.
Just a little bit. Now we're just trying to get a little bit of the sauce on top of all of them. You can see how it's kind of turning a lot more caramelly in consistency.
And the bananas should have been cut a different way. Explain how they should have been cut.
Well, these work okay. The bananas were initially supposed to be cut in half and then once the long way, so you have longer sections. Yeah. This works fine because this kind of makes it a little bit more shareable. I just am not a
See, I learned that earlier in the show today.
Ronnie's all about the sharing.
Not really, but
you're going
to yourself that.
You're going to want to cook this for just a few minutes and kind of flip them as you go, just so that they're getting cooked on all the sides. You want to be careful. Again, don't overcook them because they will get mushy. And that will happen very quickly and very easily, and you don't realize that it's happening. All right, now we're going to go with the flambe side. All right, this is not going to go badly at all.
We all back up. I back up. I wouldn't want to ruin my good shirt.
All right, now I'm going to take about 2 tablespoons of our rum, and we're just going to go right on top.
And then
that was a liberal 2 tablespoons.
A liberal 2 tablespoons. Now let's see.
Oompa, here we go.
Turn the flame on. There we go.
And what does that do?
Ooh, I know you're. Look at that.
I know I'm finally warm in the studio,
I was
but
saying,
what does that do?
All right, now what the flambe does is it cooks off the alcohol that we just put in there. So the alcoholic content is gone, but the flavor of the rum is still going to be in there. So as long as it keeps burning, it's getting that alcohol out of there. So it's cooking out of there. So what we have, the rum flavor that we're doing. This is generally, for the flambe side, you're going to want to do it more at the table. It's sort of a flashy thing, but you still get the flavor.
Yes.
And you can see, I did put a very strong liberal amount in there because it is still flammable. So you want to put some ice cream there.
I would love to.
I mean, so you need the rum then to make it the bananas Fosters, don't you?
Right. It's kind of a rum caramel sauce is what the basis for bananas Foster is. And you can see how it's starting to get really nice and bubbly and a little bit thicker.
Look at those bananas.
And you can really smell the rum.
Okay. Serve that puppy up.
So that's all there is to cooking it then?
You can cook them for a little bit longer if you want to get the bananas cooked a little bit more. And it depends on how caramelized you want it. But I like to have a little bit creamier of a sauce.
I don't blame you.
That's perfect with the ice cream. Oh my heavens.
Right on top. That is all it is. That is quick. That is easy.
Now, if you really want to impress your Valentine.
Yes, this is something you can really impress people with.
There you go.